Welcome back, Prime Minister. On foreign interference, please, sir.
A couple of things first. First of all, on wildfires, I know things are starting to improve in many places across the country. There's lots of Canadians still struggling, lots of families and communities still affected by it. I want to thank the first responders and the firefighters who are doing such extraordinary work. And neighbours and people helping out neighbours is always wonderful to see. I can actually highlight that we're close to $40 million in matching funds across the country, particularly in Nova Scotia, Alberta, and Northwest Territories. Is making a huge difference and demonstrating how people are there for each other in times of difficulty. Sur les feux de forêt, je sais qu'il y a eu des bonnes nouvelles au cours des derniers jours. On commence à voir des améliorations, mais il y a encore beaucoup de familles, beaucoup de communautés qui sont impactées par les feux de forêt. Je veux remercier encore une fois les premiers répondants, les pompiers qui font un travail extraordinaire à travers le pays. Je veux aussi souligner qu'on est rendu à presque 40 millions de dollars en aide à travers les fonds qu'on a mis de l'avant en Alberta, au territoire du Nord-Ouest et en Nouvelle-Écosse. Je veux aussi prendre un moment pour parler de Facebook et des géants du Web. Au cours des dernières années, on a vu les géants du Web afficher des profits énormes, en même temps que les journaux locaux, les journaux communautaires, les médias locaux ont énormément de difficultés à continuer leur travail. Or, on voit des compagnies comme Facebook décider de bloquer l'accès des Canadiens aux nouvelles locales plutôt que de payer leur juste part. C'est inacceptable et on ne va pas permettre à cette intimidation de fonctionner. On va toujours être là pour défendre l'accès des Canadiens à des nouvelles. C'est fondamental pour notre démocratie. On the internet giants, we've seen Facebook and other companies post record profits over the past years, at the same time as local independent journalism has struggled in terms of getting news out to people in ways that matter locally. Now, Facebook is choosing to block Canadians' access to local news instead of paying their fair share. That's unacceptable. Canadians need to be able to access news. It's fundamental to our democracy. We're not going to put up with Facebook's bullying.
On foreign interference, sir, will there be a public inquiry? And the Bloc has suggested a group of what appears to be Montreal-centric people, but what do you think of that list?
I think it's good that we are seeing contributions, constructive contributions from various parties right now. Foreign interference is an issue that needs to be taken seriously. If we can move past the toxicity and the partisanship that has characterized the approach by many parties and actually take this seriously, work together and figure out a way to highlight everything that is being done and what next steps can be taken, it'll be a good thing.
On access to information, that was a priority for you when you were an opposition MP. You made a lot of big promises in 2015. Commissioner today says the problem is just getting worse and worse and worse. It's been several years. Why haven't you lived up to those promises to be more transparent on documents and access to them?
Actually, if you look at the record, we were the first government in decades to actually modernize access to information. So that's something we committed to in 2015, and we move forward with updating access to information. We recognize there's always more to do. Transparency is an important part of building confidence for Canadians in their governments, and we'll continue to do that.
Au sujet de C9, la réforme sur le processus de plainte contre les juges. Le juge en chef de la Cour suprême, M. Wagner, a mentionné que ça fait 2 ans. On en est où avec ça? Quand est-ce que ça s'en vient?
Mais évidemment, on prend très au sérieux la responsabilité d'avoir des juges de qualité et assez de juges à travers le pays pour pouvoir faire fonctionner notre système de justice. On va continuer notre travail sur C9. On va continuer de choisir des gens pour servir dans nos cours à travers le pays qui sont de qualité et qui vont continuer le travail nécessaire.
Have you spoken to the other opposition leaders yet?